Deep in the heart of Vietnam, we honor centuries of tradition, pure ingredients, time-honored barrels, the soul of fish sauce, perfected. But we didn't stop there. We mastered the science. Precision fermentation meets modern innovation. Red boat, ancient heritage, future-ready quality. Welcome to Mass Production Marvels, where we explore the fascinating industrial transformation of traditional fish sauce into a global premium culinary masterpiece. We begin our journey at the heart of production, where ancient heritage meets advanced machinery to create the perfect umami flavor. The process starts with pristine anchovies harvested from clean seas, undergoing a rigorous high-pressure cleaning phase to remove all impurities. Skilled quality control experts inspect every single batch to ensure only the finest ingredients proceed to the next critical manufacturing stage. High-quality sea salt is carefully transported through automated systems to achieve the exact ratio required for the fermentation of fish. Precision is the foundation of excellence, as automated scales calculate the perfect blend of ingredients for the traditional barrel aging process. Robotic arms provide the necessary mechanical precision to combine raw ingredients without damaging the delicate structure of the fresh-caught fish. The mixture is blended uniformly to ensure that every portion of fish is perfectly coated with salt for the long fermentation. These traditional wooden barrels are the sacred vessels where time and nature work together to transform simple ingredients into liquid gold. Strict environmental control is maintained as workers ensure each barrel remains sealed tight to protect the integrity of the aging fish. Modern technology assists the traditional method through advanced sensors that constantly monitor the temperature and acidity levels inside every single vat. Data-driven insights allow the production team to track the progress of fermentation with unprecedented accuracy during the lengthy aging cycle. The wood itself plays a vital role in the character development of the sauce, providing earthy notes that define the flavor. Efficient logistics systems ensure that barrels are moved safely throughout the facility without disrupting the delicate balance of the aging contents. Mechanical assistance ensures consistency throughout the entire vessel, preventing any uneven settling during the crucial first months of the long process. Biological transformation takes place as enzymes begin to break down the fish, creating the rich depth of flavor that is expected. Thousands of liters of potential culinary excellence sit quietly in this dedicated space while waiting for the perfect maturation to arrive.
The batch is cleared.
Regular sampling is mandatory as the lab team analyzes the chemical composition to ensure the fermentation follows the established quality standards. Sophisticated laboratory instruments detect even the slightest variations in protein content, ensuring that only the highest quality liquid reaches the market. Detailed analytics provide the production crew with the necessary information to make adjustments and maintain the consistency of the final product. A complex network of hygienic stainless steel pipes transports the raw extract across the facility while maintaining total purity and safety. Multi-stage filtration systems clarify the liquid, removing unwanted solids to achieve the signature clear amber appearance of premium quality fish sauce. Optimized pumping systems maintain constant pressure during the filtration process, ensuring that the flow remains steady and the quality stays consistent. After filtration, the liquid is collected in holding tanks where it undergoes further resting to stabilize its complex and delicate flavor. Continuous monitoring of salinity ensures that every batch meets the exact flavor profile required for the brand's premium market position today. Human expertise remains at the center of this operation as engineers supervise the automated systems to guarantee perfect production outcomes daily. The extraction zone is designed for maximum efficiency and hygiene, reflecting the modern standards required for international food production and safety. Controlled cooling processes are applied to the liquid to preserve its freshness and ensure long shelf life for the final consumer. Visual clarity and color are verified by advanced optical sensors that detect the smallest deviations from the established golden color palette. This vibrant golden hue is the result of careful aging and precise filtration, reflecting the absolute quality of the final product. The bottling line begins its operation with high-speed precision as empty glass bottles are moved into position for the filling process. Every bottle undergoes a multi-stage cleaning cycle, ensuring that the vessel is perfectly sterilized before receiving the precious liquid fish sauce. Hot air jets dry the bottles rapidly and efficiently, preparing them for the vacuum filling stage that follows in the line. Automated filling nozzles dispense the exact volume into each bottle while maintaining a hygienic environment to protect the sauce from contamination. Precision filling ensures consistency across every single unit produced in the facility, meeting the high expectations of the global market today. The capping station secures the bottle with an airtight seal, protecting the flavor profile and ensuring the product remains fresh longer. Safety sensors inspect every cap to ensure perfect tightness and alignment, which is critical for maintaining the quality of the sauce. Precision labeling machines apply the brand identifiers with perfect alignment, giving the final product its professional and recognizable market appearance now. The detailed label showcases the commitment to quality and transparency that the brand stands for in the international culinary arena today. High-speed cameras scan every bottle for labeling errors, ensuring that only perfect products continue to the final packing and shipping. The finished bottles move gracefully toward the final assembly station, where they are prepared for transport to kitchens around the world. Automated packing arms arrange the bottles into protective shipping containers, ensuring they are secured for the long journey to the consumers. Sturdy packing boxes are sealed automatically to provide maximum protection during the transit process to markets and stores across the globe. Robotic palletizers stack the boxes with perfect geometric precision, optimizing the storage space and ensuring safety during the final loading phase. Efficient storage systems manage the inventory of finished goods, ensuring that every order is processed and shipped with the highest speed. The vast warehouse stands as a testament to the scale of production and the global demand for this premium fish sauce. Modern inventory management software tracks each pallet, ensuring full traceability from the raw material stage to the final retail shelf location. The distribution network ensures that the product reaches chefs and home cooks efficiently, maintaining its freshness throughout the entire long journey. From the factory to the kitchen, the journey represents a commitment to excellence that defines the brand's reputation in the world.
Truly exquisite.
Finally, the product reaches the shelves, where customers can experience the rich history and modern quality of this exceptional fish sauce. Consumers choose this brand for its authentic flavor profile, which bridges the gap between traditional heritage and modern culinary standards today. Professional chefs around the world rely on this sauce to elevate their dishes, providing that essential umami kick in every recipe. The final culinary creation is transformed by the addition of this high-quality extract, which brings balance and richness to flavors. Satisfied diners appreciate the nuanced taste that only a carefully produced and aged fish sauce can provide to their daily meals. This entire process reflects a harmony between the ancient ways of fishing and the modern
The new
requirements
automated
of
system
food safety
is working
and
perfectly.
efficiency.
Yes,
The reach of
and
this
quality
product
control
continues
looks
to
great on this
expand
batch.
as more people discover the unique value of combining tradition with modern technology. Innovation never stops at this facility, as the team constantly looks for ways to improve the quality of the production process. Future developments are already being planned to ensure that the brand remains at the forefront of the culinary industry for years. Everything begins with the humble anchovy and ends with a premium product that enhances the dining experience for people everywhere daily. Dedicated people work behind the scenes to maintain the standards and passion that are essential to the brand's enduring global success. The synergy between human intuition and robotic precision creates an environment where quality is not just a goal, but a reality. Quality in every drop is the motto that guides the entire production team from the initial harvest to the final bottling. Scientific understanding of the fermentation process allows the brand to consistently deliver a taste that is both authentic and deeply satisfying. This facility is more than just a factory. It is a hub of innovation that respects the environment and local traditions. Certification seals on every bottle serve as a guarantee of the quality and safety that the brand promises to its customers. Constant surveillance ensures that all protocols are followed, strictly protecting the product from any risks during the busy production cycle today. The beauty of industrial production lies in the order and precision that transforms simple raw materials into a world-class product. Maintaining the equipment is a never-ending task that ensures the consistency and reliability of the output on a daily basis. Efficiency is the key to managing the high volume of orders that the brand receives from its diverse range of markets. The final product represents the culmination of hard work, innovation, and a deep respect for the heritage of fish sauce production. Traceability is ensured through laser coating, which provides clear information about the production date and the batch for every single unit. Intelligent warehouse systems optimize the storage and retrieval of goods, ensuring that the supply chain remains fast and highly responsive daily. Every detail of the packaging is designed to communicate the premium nature of the sauce and the brand's identity to shoppers. The vision system is a silent guardian that detects the smallest defects to ensure that every bottle meets the brand standards. Robotic speed and accuracy have revolutionized the way we handle and pack the finished product, increasing the throughput of the factory. The final stage of the packaging process ensures that the product is protected and ready for its journey to the customer. Wrapping the pallets is a crucial step that prevents damage during transit, ensuring the product arrives in perfect condition every time. Skilled forklift operators navigate the warehouse with care, ensuring that the movement of goods is safe and efficient at all times. As the day ends, the fleet of trucks departs to deliver the essence of traditional fish sauce to kitchens around the world. The facility rests in silence as the automated systems prepare for another day of high-quality production and constant innovation ahead. The central control system monitors the entire plant, ensuring everything is ready for the next cycle of the manufacturing process tomorrow. Looking at the facility under the night sky, we see the commitment to quality and the bright future of this brand. This bottle is the final result of our journey, a symbol of tradition and modern progress combined in one unique product. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the industrial marvel that brings the tradition of fish sauce to your table. Thank you for watching Mass Production Marvels, and please subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of manufacturing.